Hi there, welcome to FabWebTuts. My name is Fabrice. Alright, so today I'm just going to show you how to add Google fonts to your project. Okay, so to do that, I'm just going to show you something right here. So let's go back to our HTML document right here. Alright, so you can see we added this link right here. That's the link to this CSS code. Now we're going to get a link to Google font and then add it right here. So that's what we're going to do right now. Now we just have to go to the internet and browse for Google fonts. So let's add a new tab and then let's increase the browsing window. Now we're just going to go ahead and type Google fonts, like so. So tap on the enter key, press the enter key rather. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and click on the first link and wait for it to load. Okay, so let's just go ahead and scroll through the fonts and see the one we're going to add. Okay, I think I've seen one. Let's just go ahead and add this. It looks playful. Alright, so let's tap on it. Okay, the font is actually looking playful. So let's scroll down. Alright, so to add this font, we're just going to go ahead and select this regular 400. So we're going to tap on it, and then the properties of this font is going to be displayed. Now we can just go ahead and copy this link. This is the link we are going to copy. I'm going to copy this link right here. You copy it, Ctrl C, then you now go back to your code, and then let's drop these links here. Alright, so actually let's tidy up our work, pressing tab key to indent. Let's save this. Alright, now that you have gotten the link to this font right here, we're just going to copy the CSS code right here. You can see this is the CSS code font family. So let's just go ahead and copy the CSS code. Okay, so let's go back to Notepad, and then we're going to go back to CSS codes here, and then let's change the font family. You can see we have a font family here, so we're going to change this font family right now, and then let's paste what we copied. So let's save this. Now let's go back to our browser, and then let's go back to our website. So let's go ahead and refresh. You can see now the text we added from Google is being applied. Actually, let me just go ahead and remove this shadow effect to it. So shadow, let's say none. Okay, so let's save this. Let's go back and refresh. Okay, so you can see it's looking nice. Actually, can we give it black? Yeah, why not? So let's give it black, 0 0 0 0 0 0. So let's save this, and then let's go ahead and refresh. Okay, actually let's go ahead and remove this background so you can see the effect clearly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the background, or rather let's just go ahead and make it yellow like this. Let's save this, and then let's go ahead and refresh. Oh, alright, so there you go. So you can see now we added a font family from Google. This is it right here. You just copy the font family and copy the link to your HTML document. Then you refresh your website and it's going to be applied. Alright, so in the next tutorial I'm going to teach you how to manipulate background. Alright, so until then, peace out.